Pink.
Pink surfboard?
Pink surfboard. Pink. Pink.
Pink. Oh, he fell.
Wow. Wow.
Say be careful, man.
Wow. Wow. Big woman. Big woman. Big woman.
Say, don't get hurt.
Don't get hurt.
Oh,
Don't get hurt. Don't get hurt.
yeah. You see two surfboards?
And go beach.
You want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Do you want to go surfing?
Yeah. And go shopping.
Do you want to ride one surfboard or two surfboards? Two? Two?
Yeah. And go.
What color is Caden's surfboard?
Yeah.
Red.
And go shopping.
You want to go surfing?
Yeah. And go shopping.
Yeah.
And go shopping.
Do you want Aunt Amanda to take you surfing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get a surfboard.
Yeah.
Okay. Mickey.
What? How many surfboards does Aunt Amanda have?
Huh? Where?
But how many does Aunt Amanda have?
Where?
How many does Aunt Amanda have?
Where?
Can you count Aunt Amanda's surfboards?
1, 2, surfboards.
3?
3
I think Aunt Amanda has 4.
and half brown.
Amanda has 4 surfboards.
And the blue surfboards.
Yeah.
And the shopping.
Yeah.
And the shopping.
Yeah. Amanda's surfing.
And the pound.
No.
And
Amanda,
the pound.
no, she does not have a paddle. Paddles are for kayaks.
Pound is cats.
Yeah.
Pound cats.
Yeah. Paddles are for kayaks.
And the half pound.
No, Amanda doesn't have a paddle. Amanda has a puppy.
And the half puppy.
Mm-hmm.
What's that? What's that? We watch it again?
You gonna watch it again?
Yeah.
Okay.